Tranquil. So we are at this place called Tranquil Bistro, and this is in Kavuri Hills. It's a magical place really, because it's by the there's a, I don't know, maybe it's a man-made waterfall, but it's beautiful really. And we have this very helpful gentleman here, and I used to take a bite of the margarita pizza, which is for $600, and it tastes so good. So
It's really good. It's so good.
yeah, it is a good pizza really. So yeah, really. So this is a cute place really. It is it's divided into sections. There's an indoor seating section also, that is at the far end where you can see that lady standing. That's where the waterfall is. And then there's an indoor seating section which is air conditioned, but it just feels so nice to sit in under an open air. So this is how it is. And Ayush, would you recommend this place? Really, it is a place worth visiting. This is for $600, so it is a bit on the higher side, but for experience, it is worth visiting. Tranquil Bistro, that is in Kavuri Hills, Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.